Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today we are diving into the world of LED face masks, LED devices, everything that I've seen on TikTok, Instagram that I have been suckered into buying. I've been testing some products out for the past few months, even since last year, and I have some thoughts on LED, whether it works, is it good for you, should you invest into it, is it actually worth the hype, like what is the deal with LED? So I'm going to share with you some products that just haven't worked for me and some that have. So if you guys are interested and just knowing the scoop behind LED and all that, grab your cafecito. I have a soda today because I had a late lunch and I was starving, so I'm treating myself to a little coquita. Cheers if you're drinking one too, and let's get right into it. Let me start off this video by saying that I have learned a lot from social media, TikTok, Instagram. That's what really got me into looking at LED face masks, LED devices, and I have tried a few and only one has really stood out to me in general with quality, what it actually does, and everything else. So the first one that I ever tried, and this one is years ago, is this little device right here. It's from the brand Solo Wave, and this was the first ever LED product that I had ever purchased. I was really wanting something that was going to be affordable, easy to use, easy to understand, and I did use this for a good maybe year, and I honestly never really saw results with this one. I like that it's small and it's lightweight. It's, you can travel with it. One of the things that I didn't like is that it's extremely sensitive. So anytime I would leave it in my drawer, and if it was touching a skincare product or if it was facing down, as long as it touches something, it's going to turn on. I don't know if you guys can hear this. It sends vibrations to your skin and it does get warm as you are using it. Another thing that I wasn't really a big fan of is that you have to hold the product in your hand. You have to do the motions, do it up, the sideways, the down, all of that, and it was just extremely time consuming. And I believe you're supposed to use this for about 5 or 10 minutes a day to see results, and it just wasn't achievable to me because I would tend to forget about it. I would get too lazy, and by the time I'm done with my skincare regimen is pretty long. By the time I'm doing that, I don't want to do anything else, okay? I just want to lay in my bed. I want to chill. I want to watch TV, watch true crime, whatever. I want to relax. The last thing I want to do is be in the mirror looking at myself. Products like these are meant to rejuvenate the skin, to firm the skin, and to also contour the skin at the same time. I just don't believe that these have enough power to truly make a difference on your skin. This one only has one light, which is the red light. I don't know if you guys can see it. It doesn't change colors. It does get a little bit warmer, but that is the only light you're getting. Now, red light tends to promote collagen on your skin, which is amazing. But if you have other skin concerns, it's really not going to do anything for you. So for me, this is just a product that I wouldn't repurchase and I wouldn't recommend. Now, this one, it claims to have 3 different lights. So it has the red light, which is promoting collagen. It has a blue light, which soothes sensitive skin. And then it has a purple light, which promotes lymphatic drainage. And that's where the whole contouring comes in. So if you have a double chin or if you have a chubby cheeks, by using this, it's supposed to get rid of that. I do believe in lymphatic drainage, and I do believe that sometimes we have excess retention of water, and by doing those massages, it can help you. But you can literally just use a gua sha, use your hands, and you would get rid of all that. But this is supposed to do that. So with this one, you just turn it on. It also vibrates, and then as you can see here, it has the lights, and then you switch, and depending on what you're trying to target, that's what it'll do. Now, I've tried several products, skincare, LED devices, and things like this, and the one that stood time and time again is this product right here, which is so cool. This is the Amiro Spectra LED face mask. Does this not look so cool? Literally so futuristic. It looks like a robot. My husband likes to put this on and just mess around and play around with Lincoln because he thinks he is the robot. It is so lightweight. It is actually really pretty to look at. My favorite thing, it has this little visor thing that you can see through. So when you are using your mask, you can make your coffee, you can make your bed, you can read a book. This device only requires 5 minutes of your attention. And if you try it for 7 days, you will start seeing results. And of course, just like with any product, consistency is key. It's been all over my social media, and this claims to tighten, brighten, treat acne, and even out your skin tone, again, in just 5 minutes a day. I actually had this one already ready, and I'm so excited to be working with Amiro. They sent me another one, so I'm going to unbox it with you guys just so you can see what you're getting when you order yours. When you open your box, you're gonna get a little pamphlet here, and it tells you more information about the Amiro Spectra 5-in-1 LED therapy mask. So it has that transparent area that I showed you earlier, so you can see, which I really like that. You can keep doing whatever you're doing. You can go about not your day, but mind your business for 5 minutes and you can still see what you're doing. It has these wearable templates. It's like you're using sunglasses or glasses. You apply it, it stays on so comfortably. It doesn't tug at your hair, it doesn't pinch the skin. And then it has these protective eye patches, if you can see them. I put it on, so mine are a little bit dirty, but obviously you're going to do this when you don't have any makeup on. And they're very comfortable because they're almost like goggles, so they're very comfortable on the eyes. They're not going to leave any marks on your nose or around your eyes, which is what we're trying to avoid. We're trying to avoid wrinkles around the eyes. And then of course on the inside you have all your LED units, as you can see. Down here you have your charging port, and it comes with obviously a charger. You will want to charge this before you use it, but as soon as you have this charged, this is what I liked about this so much, is that it is portable. So you can literally take this anywhere. You can put this in the pockets of your pajamas, if you're wearing a robe, if you're wearing jeans, if you're wearing shorts, whatever. And then you turn it on by just pressing this button. It'll immediately activate your LED face mask and you are ready for amazing skin. This has 3 different modes, like I mentioned. The Purify mode has blue, red, green, and yellow infrared light. And this is going to be a little bit more suitable for oily skin, for oil control, if you suffer from acne, if you have hormonal acne, or just breakouts in general. This is going to be really good for you. I personally go in between the glow mode and the firm mode because I want my skin to be evened out. I want the dullness to go away. I want brighter skin, and I also want to lift the skin, firm it a little bit, and then I want to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, of course. The glow mode will have red and infrared light, and this is going to be more suitable if you have dull skin from just like staying up late, which is me. And then again, the firm mode, this actually uses yellow, red, and infrared light, and this is going to be more suitable for sagging or loose facial skin. If you've lost a lot of your elasticity, which is normal for us that have more mature skin, this is the mode that you want to use. So again, that's why I'm saying that this would be a great Mother's Day gift, because more mature skin need that TLC. If you really do your research, which they definitely did, the tech behind this mask is actually a little bit impressive because it uses 173 LED bulbs, which is way more than LED mask on the market. It has a 3D reflective mirror design that distributes the light energy just all across your face. So it's not just going to be in one area. It'll literally just cover everything, which you don't have to worry about moving your face or placing it in a certain area, or worry about, did it touch this, did it touch that? No, it's going to evenly cover your face, so you know your skin is being treated the right way. It comes with a little cloth that you can use to clean off your mask. And then when you open it, that is what your mask will look like. And it comes in this really nice packaging to keep it nice and clean. You will also get another little pamphlet with more information that will just really go into detail. And then of course you get your little remote. You get your remote with your charger in here, and you'll set it up and start using it. Simple as that. I know I spoke about these two, but if you are wanting something that is actually going to work and you're not going to waste your money on anything of that, try the Amiro mask, because this uses 5 layers of light therapy. It's going to treat different skin concerns all at once, which to me is not only you're saving time, but you're also saving money. I think the Amiro Spectra LED face mask is definitely worth considering. They were generous enough to send me a coupon, so they're offering $7 off, free shipping, installment plans, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. And it has a 1-year hassle-free warranty, which definitely makes the investment feel safer. So if you're thinking about it, don't hesitate, because they literally got you covered, and you will not be returning this, because I promise you, once you start seeing results, you'll just be hooked and you'll want more and more and more. Now, if your skin can handle this daily, go ahead and use it daily. But if you feel like it's too much or it's drying out your skin, then you can always just cut back and just do it a few times a week. Once you charge this one time, this will last up to 7 uses. So you don't have to be recharging it and recharging it and recharging it over and over again. So if you're wanting a good LED mask that will actually do something, check out Amiro. You will definitely not regret your purchase. I'll have everything linked in the description description box down below. I will have the coupon and everything so you guys can check it out. Treat yourself, treat your mom, treat your grandma, treat your tia, treat your wife, because face masks are so hyped for a good reason, because they work. The more that you use it, the more results you will see. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video a little bit educational. I have had so much fun learning about LED masks, the benefits and what it does, what it entails and all that. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check out Amiro. And again, thank you so much for working with me in today's video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.